Hello gurus, and welcome back to another episode. I'm in Amsterdam now, which is beautiful. Going to be heading into the Old Town. If you're around here, let me know in the comment section. Twitter is back, thanks to all of you. Hundreds, we had more than 300 people contact Twitter to get them to put the Twitter back, and they responded, and it's amazing. Thank you all so much. The Twitter is back. Also, this law case against these people that started the trademark, this fake trademark, we're also going after them and taking down that trademark and taking them to court, which is beautiful. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. There's a lot in this episode. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, see what's going to happen. Do I think the bottom's in? We're going to look at Magicraft, some 3D designs, 3D characters that are being created. We're also going to look at FYN, a token that's being released today or tomorrow. And I'm a seed investor in this token. And what it's doing, it's similar to a Pokemon Go, where you play Pokemon in the metaverse, but in AR, augmented reality, but they're making a crypto game out of this. So I'm going to show you that as well. Make sure down there you join my 68,000 subscribers down there. Click the subscribe button on your phone, hit this thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. And we're going to the technicals for Bitcoin, and I'm so glad that I'm getting to talk to you. Thank you all for those comments. Now, there is a danger sign that occurred here that I want to point out. So we had two major trend lines. This blue one is a 2-year trend line that Bitcoin broke. Then we had this descending trend line that started on the 11th of November that's showing a downtrend for Bitcoin. Now, why this is dangerous is these two trend lines created a descending wedge, a descending triangle, this pattern here. And that pattern has already played out. Now, the way these work, the base of the triangle is the expected movement. So this distance here is the expected movement to the downside. So that puts us at $11,000 for Bitcoin. Now, I don't think it gets that low, but it's just showing there's also another big pattern that's playing out that's also showing very big bearish signs for Bitcoin. A giant shoulder, head, and shoulder that if this plays out, the target is 19,000. Do I think we get down to 11,000? No. Do I think we get down to 19,000? Possibly, but 29,000 is my target. I added some at 35,000. 25,000 is where I'm going to buy more Bitcoin, and at 19,000, I'm going to buy a lot of Bitcoin if we get that low. That's the worst case scenarios in my opinion. Now, the VPVR is showing that the major support, the biggest area of support for Bitcoin is down here at the 33. Oh, it's not showing it properly. Let's go into the daily so you can see it more closely. The biggest area of support on the VPVR is down here at 33,000. And it looks like Bitcoin, and if anyone went bullish when Bitcoin had a bounce, you've got to take into account that we're still in a downtrend. We haven't broken past this white line. Until we break this white line, bounce and head up, we're in a downtrend. So keep that in mind. Until we break this white line, we're in a downtrend. So it doesn't matter if we get these little bounces back. In my opinion, they're bear flags. So this is the pole, this is the flag, and it's going to drop further. Target is 19K. Now, there's some bullishness in the fact that we have a lot of volume coming in, a lot of people buying here. But again, the stochastic is turning to head lower, and I know this looks very complicated, everyone. You can join my 6,000 students and learn this in the crypto course, but I think we're going lower. On the daily, it's turning. The squeeze mob is still going to the red. We have a lot of bearish indicators. The Stock Guru bot fired the crypto, sorry, not Stock Guru bot. It's called the Crypto Guru bot now. The name will be changed. The team will organize that. We went down at 69K, and we've been heading down in a downtrend. And the Stock Guru bot, Crypto Guru bot, called, I got to get used to this name change. James Crypto Guru is the name on Twitter and the name on YouTube now, after what's been happening with these trademark disputes. We went down, the Crypto Guru bot turned red at the 59K, and it's been heading down. It's still saying sell. It's still red. It hasn't turned to green, to blue yet. It hasn't turned to a buy yet. What else do we have? The squeeze mob is still heading red. Stochastic is turning to head down. Money flow index is starting to turn up. So money is starting to flow into Bitcoin. That's pretty much one of the main, those two signs that there is some signs of bullishness is the volume and the money flow index. I added one Bitcoin at 35, but I do believe until we break this downtrend, the target for me to add more is the 29K. So I'm going to wait till the 29K. So on the 4-hourly, what's going to happen for the next few days? The 4-hourly, volume coming in, but we're still forming this bear flag. We've got the pole, the flag forming, and then usually this is a bearish indicator, that continuation pattern to the downside. But the squeeze mob, the stochastic is turning up from oversold, and volume is coming in. So what I would recommend, if you don't want to miss our goal is not to time the bottom. We sold at 69K. The goal is to try and buy as much as you can close to the bottom. So right now we're close to the bottom. It can go lower. It could go to 30K, possibly 19K, but it is pretty low right now. So I did buy one Bitcoin at 35K. If it goes lower, I'll buy more, but you can start laddering in. Don't put all your money in, but ladder in, meaning split up your capital, invest DCA into Bitcoin. But I think we're forming a bear flag. The EMA ribbons, we're coming into the EMA ribbons, a lot of volume coming in, stochastic turning up, so it could have a chance to break through here. But with what's happening in the stock markets, I think we're going to keep being bearish. The stock markets are getting annihilated, and that's a problem for Bitcoin when the stock markets are getting annihilated. Squeeze is going to the red side, so more downside. Money flow index is actually turning down, so still bearish signs. What I think is going to happen is we're going to come down to 29K, like I've been talking about since 69K, build pressure, and then around 23rd of February, we're going to have a breakout to go to the upside, hopefully. Let's go into the hourly. What's going to happen for today? We've got stochastic heading up, also on the 4-hourly. So there is bullish signs, but what it's actually making is, again, a bear flag. So be careful going long here. This is a bear flag. It's trapping bulls, in my opinion. If we do head up we would come to around 39,000, and that's the moment that's important. But I think it's a bull trap that's going to get everyone liquidated and then drop. But here, if we can break through here, bounce, and then head up, that's when you can go bullish, because then it broke the downtrend. Let's check out the rest of the market. So the rest of the market, let's sort by stocks. Luna down 8%. Luna losing half its value. NEO getting annihilated. My target for NEO, which is a stock, is at the $17, which we're very close to now. Uber down more, 3.6%. Cake down 3%. Boeing, the stock markets and the crypto markets are getting hammered right now. That's why I'm being very defensive, because it's not just crypto, it's also stocks. Most of them are in the red, so be very careful here. Tesla even at 833. My area to buy Tesla is at 2 points. Here at 767 and here at 689. That's where I'm going to buy a lot of Tesla. Now, I told you that anyone that commented on Da Vinci's post, hey, Twitter, my friend's account James got suspended with no reason. My Twitter is now back. 348 of you commented on his Twitter. And now I'm going to pick a winner of 200 USD. So I'm going to pick a winner. So these are all look at all these comments. Twitter support. James is the real stock guru and has helped thousands of people fix this clear, obvious error. Thank you all so much. But now my name is James Crypto Guru until this trademark dispute is finalized in courts. So I'm going to randomly scroll. There's 380 posts. Thank you, Joey. Please reinstate. Many comments. Thank you all so much for jumping into this. Let's pick a winner of 200 USD. I'm just going to load them and scroll through. Ready. Pick. Mech Enemy. You win 200 USD, Mech. Twitter, please give James back his account. You're the winner. I'm going to retweet you and then I'm going to contact you. 200 USD. Thank you, Mech, for this beautiful. Thank you all 380 commenters. You're all amazing. Thank you so much for all the support. We got the Twitter back so quickly. Also on my trades right now, I have no trades open. I've got 98,000 USDT in this account, 2.6 Bitcoin. I'm holding USDT 55K, 1 Bitcoin, and Casta, which is got annihilated, 1,100 Casta dollars worth, but I've actually got more than $1 million of Casta, so getting pretty hit hard on that alt. Bitcoin is at 37K, no long, no short at the moment, because we're in a no man's land. I do think we're going to go up a little bit more and then drop down to 29K, so be very defensive here. Now I'm going to show you some, this is FYN. This is a token that I seed invested, a project that's launching. The official launch date will be on the 29th of January at 1 p.m. UTC on QuickSwap and MEXC exchange. Now, FYN is a cool project. I'm going to show you about that. The ticker will be FYN against USDT on MEXC exchange. Launches on the 29th of January. I invested in this project. I am invested as a seed investor, so be aware. So what they're building is an augmented reality activities. So similar to your Pokemon Go campaigns in Nexus, where, for example, we'll announce, so you can look at, like, it'll be in real life, you'll see similar to Pokemon Go, but merging with crypto. So ways to earn in Nexus. So this is just examples of what they're building. Campaigns and quests, visit landmarks, Nexus virtual land collection of buddies. So I have invested in this, and this will launch again at 29th of January on MEXC exchange. The ticker will be FYN. I did seed invest this project. I only show you projects that I'm investing in as a seed, as a venture capitalist, and projects that my team has looked into. You have to always do your own due diligence, but this is what I'm investing in, and I'm just showing you what I'm doing in the markets. And these are some things from Magicraft. We got some cool 3D animation. The Magicraft Twitter is also being fixed. This is a new 3D character that will be in the game. This is a 3D character of the Archer. These are just some 3D designs coming from the studios. This is some comments. You have helped so many already and have loads more to lead towards a better future. The community needs you and will stick behind you. Thank you so much, Mars. You're getting attacked because you're helping a lot of people. Keep doing what you're doing. Thank you, Raymond. Keep doing what you, James. You're helping a lot of people. You're doing positive things. Will come back to you. And yes, come after those effers and have them using your stuff. I am taking them to court. Thank you so much, Michael. And just amazing comments from so many of you. Thank you so much for all the beautiful comments. We also have this 3D character from Magicraft. MCRT is the token play to earn game that I'm the founder of. And this 3D character, beautiful designs coming from the studios that are going to be used inside the games. We also have our first NFT collection is coming to MCRT, and it's epic. So I hope you'll pay attention to it. So thank you all for the amazing support. Thank you. Congratulations on the winner of 200 USD. And thank you all 350 commenters on the Twitter that got the Twitter back in one day. You're all such a strong community. Join the 68,000 of us. Hit that subscribe button. Smash up the thumbs up button. Thank you all so much. Beautiful community. Thank you for all the comments. And I'm so glad I'm getting to talk to you. I'll make a video later on. If you want me to analyze any tickers, any stocks or cryptos, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.